Fire crackled in the fireplace. The room felt warm and cozy. There was a dining table. On seeing the table, the Snow White felt hungry. She ate from a plate. Then she felt sleepy and went to the bedroom. In the bedroom she found 7 small beds. She thought that she cannot sleep on them. Then 7 dwarfs entered the house. After doing hard work the whole day, they were starving. But the table was empty. They were shocked. Then they moved to the bedroom and saw that there was a girl. They asked, "Who are you?" "I am Snow White," she said. "Can I live here?" she asked. "Yes," one of the dwarfs said. They introduced themselves. "I am Zar, I am Par, I am Gar, I am Mar, I am Yar, I am Bar, I am Star." "Do you have a family?" Par asked. Snow White told her story to the dwarfs. "Please stay here, Snow White," one of the dwarfs said. Snow White smiled. Next day the dwarfs got ready for work. "We will be back after dark. Don't let anyone in. Dwarfs said to the Snow White. "Okay," Snow White promised. Snow White did all the house chores. By sunset, soup was cooking on the stove. "Now I am the most beautiful woman in the kingdom, right?" the queen asked the mirror. "No, my lady, Snow White is the most beautiful lady in the kingdom." "Oh no, she is still alive." The next day, when Snow White was alone at home. "Clothes for sale," a voice called. "Clothes for sale," a voice called. "Lovely beautiful clothes." Snow White walked outside. An old lady was walking by. She pulled a small wagon loaded with clothes. "Hello, miss," the woman said. "This coat matches your hair. Just try it on," she said. "There is no harm in that." The woman smiled. Snow White tried the coat. It squeezed her entire body. Snow White started crying. The woman laughed and ran away.